Hey everyone, Vijay here. Welcome to day 7 of 30 Python test in 30 days. Today's magic trick is any and all functions. Super useful for checking condition in collections. Like any used for returns true if any element is true, and all used when returns true only if all elements are true. Let's consider an example. Let's consider an example here. 1 second. Nums equal to, you can give 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma 6 and print here any comma nums and print all comma all of nums. We can run the output. We can get the output like true comma true here. 1 second. Like we can give some modification 0. What if we can get the output here true comma false? Why? Because 0 is treated as false here. There are amazing in data validation, filtering and complex condition checks. Try replacing long if statements with any and all. Your code will thank you. If you like the video, please like, share and follow for more Python mystery only on Tech with Vijay. Bye guys.